Hello everyone, welcome to Wave Edu AI. So, before you waste your time on 200 formulas for physics paper tomorrow, I analyzed every CBSE physics paper from 2015 to 2024 and found this something insane. 7 formula repeat every single year. These 7 formulas make 50 marks guaranteed. Let's discuss all these 7 formulas. Lens formula appeared in all 10 papers. Photoelectric equation 8 out of 10 times. AC impedance 8 out of 10 times. You have 24 hours remaining and I'm giving you the exact 7 formula CBSE love. No fluff, just formulas, memory tricks, where they appear. Grab your pen, let's lock in 50 marks in 7 minutes. Okay, number 1, the king of physics, Lens formula. Every year never misses. Now, memory trick is VUF, sounds like view. When you view through a lens, think V minus U equal F, and you have to take care of the formula. Where CBSE asks these questions, 2 marks for numerical, 3 marks for derivation, 5 marks for combination 2 lenses. Okay, there are going to be some sign convention traps. Real image, V is positive. Virtual image, V is negative. Convex lens, F is positive. Concave lens, F is negative. If object is beyond 2F, that is the focal length, image is between F and 2F, real and inverted. Also, sometimes it asks for magnification bonus, that is M equal to V/U. This one formula equal to 5 marks, locked it down. Let's move to formula number 2, that is the photoelectric effect. It appears in 8 out of 10 years, okay? 2015, 16, 17, 19, 2020, 2021, 2023 and 2024. Memory trick is photon gives minus work function equals kinetic energy. Like salary minus tax equals take home. Where CBSE asks this question? Mostly in graph interpretation. Okay. Some stopping potential where EV0 equal to KE max. Okay. Why intensity doesn't affect KE max? CBSE love this graph question where x-axis is frequency, y-axis is KE max. Slopes, that's the Planck's constant H. Constant to remember, H equal to 6.63 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 34 J as joule seconds. 1 electric volt equal to 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 19 joules. It's 3 to 5 marks guaranteed. Let's move to the next formula, formula number 3, that is AC impedance. Appears in 8 years out of 10 years. Okay, AC circuit is killer. Okay, have a look on this formula. Appears in 16, 17, 18, 2019, 20, 21, 23 and 2024. The memory trick is easy. Think of pizza. R is the base, X is the topping difference, Z is the whole thing. Where CBSE twist it, XL equal to omega L equal to 2 pi FL. That is inductor reactance. XC equal to 1/omega C equal to 1/2 pi FC, that is the capacitor resistance. At resonance, XL equal to XC, so Z equal to R, that is minimum. Resonant frequency, F equal to 1/2 pi under root LC. Also, have a look on power factor. And the case pattern is always given LCR and you have to find frequency, find power consumed, at what frequency is power maximum. It's 4 to 5 locked. Let's move to next formula number 4. that is motional EMF. It appears in 8 years, and the formula here is, the superstar formula is this. It appears in 2026, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2022, 23 and 2024. Okay, the trick is BLV sounds like believe. Believe in three friends, B, L and V multiply together. Okay, where CBSE asked this question, that is a rod sliding on rails in a magnetic field, rotating coils and directions using Lenz's law. Formula can have some variation, moving in uniform, that is BLV, then rotating coil, you can have NAB omega sine, and also changing flux, where you can see the changing flux formula. Okay, there are some tricks here. So right hand, thumb, velocity and fingers, and electric field, palm push, force on positive charges. Okay, this appears as 3 marks or 5 marks sometime, numerical every year. Practice one previous year question on this tonight. Okay, let's move to formula number 5, that is Young's double slit. It appears 8 times out of 10 years. It's a wave optics champion. This formula, fringe width formula, appears in 2015, 16, 18, 19, 20, 2021, 2022 and 2024. Okay, where CBSE tricks you? CBSE tricks you in change wavelength and ask you to find a new beta, insert glass slab and fringe shifts, white light source and the central fringe question. Okay, so you have to remember units, particularly for lambda in metrics, not nm, d and d in same units, and beta comes in mm usually. 3 marks guarantee. Next question is formula number 6, that is de Broglie's wavelength. It appears 7 times from last 10 years, and it has a magic formula, that is lambda equal to h/mv, or lambda is equal to h/p. It appears in 2016, 17, 18, 19, 2021, 2022 and 2023. Okay, memory trick is h is always on top, mv is always on below. Okay, heavier or faster particle, smaller wavelength. Where CBSE asked this question is electron accelerated through V volts, compare wavelengths of electron versus proton. Why we don't see cricket ball wavelength? Okay, CBSE loves to compare same kinetic energy, same velocity and same moment with the help of lambda formula. There are some unit traps also. Here h is equal to 6.63 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 34. If energy is in EV, convert this to joules first. 2 to 3 marks locked. Last formula is formula number 7, that is self-inductance. That is a coil formula, and you can see that this formula appears in 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2022 and 2024. Memory trick is L fights current changes. Okay, current changes fast, big induction EMF happen. Negative signs, that is Lenz's law, that is opposition. Okay, where CBSE asks find L, where flux and current given, energy stored. You have to calculate how to store the total stored energy and the time constant in a LR circuit. Okay, you also have to remember the formula for solenoid. You also have to take care of the growth of current and the decay of the current with the following formulas. CBSE pattern is 2 marks to find L or energy, 3 marks time constant problem, and 5 marks for derivation and application. So all done. Okay, so remember Lenz formula 10 out of 10 years, photoelectric 8 years, AC impedance last 8 years, motional EMF last 8 years, Young's DSA formula last 8 years, de Broglie from last 7 years, self-inductors from last 7 years. Okay, practice practice, practice, and best of luck. Download the 7 formula cheat sheet in the link below in the video. See you in chemistry test. We are here to help you on every exam this year, 2026. Best of luck for your exam.